Hey creators, what's up? How are you guys doing today? In this video, we will learn how to make a professional YouTube video thumbnail just using the KineMaster application. We will see 3 to 4 thumbnail designs that you can easily make after watching this video till the end. Also, we will see some techniques that you can use while making the thumbnails to make them look awesome. So with that being said, my name is 𝐀𝐧𝐝𝐫𝐞 and this is Android editing. Let's jump to the tutorial part. In the description, you will get a free download link from where you can download 20 plus character images just like the one which I am using right now. So if you want character images, then you can download the free pack from the description after watching the video. Okay, so here I am trying to create a white outline around the character image. So follow the steps and you can easily create a white outline around any image or any object in KineMaster. Okay, so that was the first thumbnail design. Very simple, you can easily make it. I hope you're still watching, by the way. And now let's move on to the second thumbnail design, where we will see how to add a gradient effect on the thumbnail. If you are still watching, it clearly means that you really want to improve your thumbnails and grow on YouTube. In the next thumbnail, we will see how to add mobile phone screen on our thumbnails using the KineMaster app. By the way, the download links of all the files are given in the description, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so these were the 3 thumbnail designs that you can easily make in KineMaster, and the last one is different from all of them, so let's see how it is. So that was all for this video. I really hope you have learned something new from this video. Make sure you drop a like and share the video with your friends who are having problems in making a good thumbnail. So with that being said, let's end up the video. Stay safe and keep creating.